I'm Edmunds senior writer Carlos Lago, and here's a features rundown of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For 2018, the Chevy Silverado gets a standard rear-view camera and a 7-inch touchscreen. Otherwise, it returns mostly unchanged. Like other pickups, the Silverado 1500 is offered in regular, double, and crew cab body styles paired with short, standard, or long beds. There's also a broad range of trim levels to choose from. We're partial to the mid-level LT trim that adds some creature comforts and is also eligible for far more options than supporting models. We also like the available V8 engines that improve performance and towing abilities. Unfortunately, the 8-speed automatic transmission is only offered on top trim levels. Compared to other trucks, the Silverado feels heavy, likely due to some slow throttle response and handling limitations. It does get high marks for towing though, maxing out at 12,500 pounds when properly equipped. On paper, the Silverado's rear seats aren't as spacious as the competition, but you'd still have no problem getting 3 adults in the crew cab. The interior is well built and free of creaks, but the plastic materials look and feel cheap when compared to the new Ford F-150. On the technology front, the Silverado scores points for including a Wi-Fi hotspot, but we're not so hot on the Chevy MyLink infotainment system. We prefer using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which are also standard. Some suspension options tend to make the ride quality too stiff over bumpy roads. We gave the standard suspension a much better grade, especially on the highway. The Silverado 1500's top competitors include the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and Nissan Titan. Bottom line, the Silverado 1500 isn't as new as the Titan, as light as the F-150, or as comfortable as the Ram 1500. But Chevy's bread and butter does most things well, and whether you want a bare-bones work truck or a luxurious cruiser, there's probably a Silverado for you.